All right, welcome back. Hey, hope you're doing really well. Hope you're having a fantastic day and you're staying safe through these troubled times that we're in right now. Pretty crazy times. And something I'm actually going to be doing from now on Mondays is I'm going to be doing a live session on Monday morning. So if you want to join our live session, jump on our website and visit us. Below this link, give us, there's a website there. If you're not too sure how to join us in the live sessions, then give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. And what I want to be able to do is I want to be talking about products, right? So on these live sessions, we talk about 10 products that are selling really well right now. We talk about a few other things, so do jump on. If you're serious, not curious, but actually serious about getting something started, and you're looking to build a proper business, you're not just willing to just it's not about making a quick buck. You actually want to build your own brand, your own business selling products on Amazon, right? So I'd love for you to join us. Give us, again, below this video is a link. Give that link a click and join us on the Survive event. Now, today's question is all about ensuring that, how do you go about choosing products? How do I make sure I don't choose a bad product, right? There's so many products out there. What am I doing right now? What am I selling? What should I be selling right now, right? That's a common question we often get asked is, how do I choose those winning products? And let me just tell you right now that you don't want to be choosing mundane, ordinary products and just selling that, right? There's got to be some point of difference. There's got to be some reason why you are selling. There's your logo, your packaging, better images, better headline, better bullet points. Maybe you're bundling it with something. So maybe you're selling, for example, an iPhone case that comes with a cord, right? Or comes with a charger or something like that. But it's got to be some point of difference for your product. You can't just be selling an iPhone case. Does that make sense? Also, another mistake that people make is they choose products and they're selling for $4.95, right? You're not going to really generate a sustainable or anything viable out of selling something so cheap, of $4.95, right? Even though there might be a bit of profit margin in that, it's not really worth it. So that's kind of what I would say in terms of ensuring you choose an appropriate product. You've got to do your research. Product research is the most important part, and that's kind of why we spend a lot of time on that area, because it's about product research, making sure there's viable sales, making sure there's consistent sales coming in. We don't jump on fad products. If you're looking to jump on hand sanitizer, we're not the company for you, all right? We don't jump on fad products. I feel like it's not going to be a worthwhile product, and it's really your choice of what you jump on. But the way we teach is, how do you build a brandable business, your own brandable business, and brand of obviously your own products, but also how do you have a longer life cycle on your product, all right? So I'd love to see you on some of our live trainings that we do in the morning. So we're doing one on Monday. We do them quite often, actually. Visit our link below, join us on the live trainings, and if you're unsure or you actually want to chat to one of our team members, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. We would love to have a chat with you, all right? All the best, stay safe, and to you and your family. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.